Hello everyone, today we will discuss the use of coordinating conjunctions in sentences, and I will also explain it with the help of few examples. I will also elaborate the rule of parallelism, that you have to maintain parallelism in sentences when you use coordinating conjunctions in sentences. So let's start the lecture. First of all, there are almost 7 number of coordinating conjunctions, and those coordinating conjunctions are and, but, yet, so, nor, or, for. So these are the 7 number of coordinating conjunctions, and you can use these 7 in your sentences, but maintaining the rule of parallelism. So what does that mean? To maintain parallelism mean you can join only similar ideas, similar phrases and similar clauses if you use coordinating conjunctions in your sentences. So let's discuss it with the help of few examples. The first example is, after eating my lunch, I feel happy, drowsy and full. Now in this sentence, I have connected these 3 ideas with the help of coordinating conjunction and. You can see that these 3 words they have the similar formation and they are almost representing the similar idea. So you cannot join together one word and a phrase with the help of a coordinating conjunction. You have to join words or phrases or clauses, but you have to maintain parallelism by joining similar words, similar phrases and similar clauses. So in this sentence, I have joined series of words with the help of this coordinating conjunctions. So I have maintained parallelism in this sentence. In the second example, his duties are to teach the students, to check the assignments and to arrange the timetable. Now in this sentence, I have joined 3 phrases with the help of coordinating conjunction and. The first phrase is to teach the students. This is an infinitive phrase. The second phrase is to check the assignments. This is also an infinitive phrase, and to arrange the timetable. This is also an infinitive phrase. The structure of the sentence before the conjunction and after the conjunction is same, and this actually clarify the concept of maintaining parallelism. You have to maintain similar structure before and after the conjunction, and in this sentence I have maintained similar structure by using same kind of phrases before the conjunction and after the conjunction. You cannot use different phrases, or you cannot join different phrases by using a coordinating conjunction. If you want to join phrases, you have to join similar phrases, phrases that have similar structure. These 3 phrases, they are infinitive phrases, and you have joined them with the help of this coordinating conjunction by following the rule of parallelism. So in these 2 sentences, we have joined, in the first sentence we have joined similar ideas, in the second sentence we have joined similar phrases with the help of coordinating conjunction. Now let's consider this third example. This third example contains two clauses. The first clause is Ali is a teacher, and the second clause is but his wife is a doctor. Now in this sentence we have joined together with the help of this coordinating conjunction but. So first of all, let me explain the rule. A coordinating conjunction actually joins together 2 independent clauses. These 2 are independent clauses, and an independent clause can stand on its own. If you remove this clause, even then this clause can stand on its own, and if you remove this clause can stand on its own. So a coordinating conjunction join together 2 similar clauses, like it joins together 2 similar phrases or similar ideas. So it joins 2 similar clauses. And one thing more, you cannot join a dependent clause with an independent clause by using coordinating conjunction. You can only join 2 independent clauses using a coordinating conjunction. So you have to follow this rule. And the rule regarding the punctuation is, you can use a comma here before the conjunction if you want to give a slight pause in your sentence, you can also use a full stop here. If you want your examiner to put more focus on your sentences, you can actually put a full stop here and then you can start the sentence. So and if you do not want any kind of pause, you can remove all the signs or all the rules of punctuation and you can write it like this. So these are the rules regarding punctuation, that how you can use punctuation. You can use a comma, a full stop, and you can eliminate a comma. All depends how you want your reader to read the sentences. So these are the rules regarding the use of coordinating conjunctions. I can repeat the rules. The rules are very simple. You have to maintain parallelism, and by maintaining parallelism means you can join together similar ideas, similar phrases and similar clauses with the help of coordinating conjunctions. These three are similar ideas, making a list. These three phrases are similar in structure, these three are infinitive phrases, and these two clauses are independent clauses, and you have joined them with the help of coordinating conjunction. So these 7 coordinating conjunctions, they are used in sentences to join together similar ideas, similar phrases and similar clauses.